taken care of. Okay, so that is the important one. In real-time environment also the same, there will not have any deviation. Okay, so now coming to the next one in as part of the end user scenario, end user area. So we must have to adjust the, so this is the amount which we have given as an advance we have posted. Let me open into the system. Once again, we'll have a look at so that we'll have a clear understanding. Okay, so FBL 1N, then company code 2525. Just execute here. So as I mentioned, a special GL document which is not appearing here. Let me go back. Why it is not appearing? This checkbox did not selected for the special GL transaction. Let me select this one and execute here. Now you can see this document which is appearing now. Okay, so vendor advance. So 60,000 rupees which we have made payment to the vendor. So we can consider this as an advance amount. So this advance amount we have to adjust. Okay, we have to adjust with the multiple invoices. Here you can see one is a 10,000, 35,000, 5,000 rupees. So 35, 45, 50 it will become. Okay, so now we have to adjust this 10,000, right? Okay, let it be. Okay, so now 50,000 we can adjust. Still 10,000 should be lying it as an advance. Let us see that one. Okay, so now here the requirement is that this is the document which is posted as an advance, which we have given advance to vendor. From this 60,000 rupees, the vendor informed that, okay, so there are 3 invoices are there. Document number 1, 2, 3. You can adjust the 60,000 with these invoices, Even this is also still partial. Okay, let us do this one. So how we can do this one? Let me go back. The transaction code F-54. Okay, so what we have to do? First we have to clear the vendor down payment. So what we have done here? We have posted this advance amount. But how system should know this document value here? Okay, so here you can see this document value is a 60,000 to be adjusted as a 10,000 rupees with this document. How system should know? We must have to interfere then we have to instruct it to the system. Okay, on behalf of this is the advance amount 60,000, then adjust 10,000 rupees. Okay, on behalf of this invoice. Okay, like that we have to instruct it to the system. Okay, so now let us go back here to 18/06/2024. You can see here the vendor system is asking vendor number. Okay, vendor I have selected here. Invoice, you can see here on behalf of which you are adjusting. Let me select it first the document number, this one, 10,000 rupees, which I want to adjust. Yes, sorry. Go ahead, give this one. And now here, if you observe closely, there is no option to enter the amount, but you will get the doubt, sir, where we can enter the amount. Okay, again, if you click on process down payments, then we will get the amount option. Amount will be enabled over there. We can adjust. Okay, so vendor advance partial adjustment 10,000 rupees. Okay, which you want to adjust. First one would be this invoice against is a 10,000 rupees you would like to adjust. Then click on the process down payments or press enter. Okay, click on process down payments. Now you can see here the system, it is showing 60,000 rupees. Okay, 60,000 rupees. Then come towards the right here. Now transfer posting amount. Okay, then then enter here is 10,000 rupees. Come here. Okay, select the line item. First, select the line item. That item did not select it. That is the issue. It is not at all showing. Sorry. Select the line item. Then enter the amount 10,000 here. Transfer posting amount is a greater than. Okay, why it is not allowing? It should allow. Okay, okay. Let me select the one. Okay, let me select the document. I will not do anything. Go to document, simulate here. Transfer amount is at 10,000 only here. Right. Second. Okay, just simple enter the amount over there and select the document simulate here. Now you can see here. You can see here. See what we are trying to do. Please concentrate and understand here. There is an amount which is lying in this document is a 60,000 rupees, which we have posted as an advance amount. But we have to do the adjustment, right? This 60 from this 60,000 rupees, there is a 10,000 rupees which I am adjusting on behalf of this invoice. So we have to transfer the advance amount into as a normal amount. Okay, then we can do. Okay, now you can see that is the reason. One here it is the same account is debiting, same account is crediting here. So now 39A is the crediting, 26 is the debiting here. Okay, on behalf of the invoice. Which invoice? Now let me post this one. Let me post a document. See now document 10027 has been posted. Now let me put like this. Okay, so the 10,000 rupees was adjusted with this document, with this adjusted with document number. Okay, 10,000 rupees has gone. Now let us go and refresh the FBL one and what it will happen. List, refresh it. Now you can see here, still the total balance still it is a 10,000 rupees only, but system has posted one more document. System has posted one more document. You can see 27, which this document has been posted. See, vendor adjustment, partial adjustment. Okay, now we can see now one is a debit because same to the same vendor it has been posted. One is a debit, another one is a credit. How you can say, sir? See, minus indicator. Minus is nothing but your okay outgoing. I mean credit, debit. Now if I double click this one, 60,000. Okay, still this 60,000 it will be there. Okay, but here it will reduce. Okay, it will reduce. That we will see that one. Going forward, let us adjust the same. Then we will see in the system it will show. Let me go for the same date. Okay. Now what is the document number? The second document, second invoice. This is the second invoice. On behalf of this, I would like to adjust 35,000. I will show you in the system. 35,000 rupees. Process down payments. Here the system will show what is the balance which is lying. Now, if I go towards the right here, you can see here 60,000 was the advance amount, but available limit you can say 50,000 rupees. But where the 10,000 rupees has gone. Now, the 10,000 rupees which we had adjusted on behalf of this invoice. Am I right? This is the document which we have posted. So that is the reason from 60,000 rupees, now you will have only the 50,000 rupees because 10,000 rupees we had already adjusted value with another document. Now select the one. The amount which you would like to adjust here is a 35,000 rupees. This amount, 35,000 rupees. Document simulate. Now you can see same 39A. Again, you will post, system will post one more document here. Let me post this one. The document 28 has been posted. The document, what it has been posted, 28 has been posted for adjustment. Even 35,000 also I have adjusted. Okay, so now the last document, let me post this one. The last document here. Vendor. So the last one is a 5,000 rupees. So click on the process down payment and now you can see here the logic. Invoices, right? Okay, so I'll put this one. Okay. And here is the advance. So advance, here I'll put the advance document, advance related document. What is this? This is the document which is related to the advance. Am I right? Now, this is the, okay, document invoices plus advance. Okay. Amount. So what is the amount? It's a 60,000 rupees which we have given. Remember, now this is a minus value. It's not the. Okay. So from this 60,000 rupees, from this 60,000 rupees until now we have adjusted is a 10,000, 35,000. The rest balance of 15,000 should be lying in my advance. Now let us see into the system. 60,000 is the total amount. This is the amount I'm talking about. But where about, what about the adjustments? Where it has gone? Now, if I come towards the right, 15,000 rupees is the available amount. You can see the, after reducing the balance, you can see the 15,000 rupees, which is lying. Now, go here, select this one, enter the amount 5,000, which you want to adjust. Document, simulate it, post it. See now, document 29 has been posted. 29. So 29 is the value. Okay, so now I have entered amount. This one is at 10,000, right? Okay. 10,000, 35,000. This one is the 5,000. Let me adjust. So this is what we have adjusted. Still, what would be the balance? Still the balance which is lying, still open advance balance. Open advance. Okay, still the value which is available. If I can go and see into the system, still this value should be available. Okay, how can I see? Let me go back. Only advance I would like to see. Okay, come back. Deselect the normal items. Adjust. Now you can see this is your original advance amount. Now from this we have adjusted 10,000, 35,000, 5,000. Still the balance which is related to advance, which is 10,000 rupees is a pending. Okay, still you can utilize this amount. Then let me post one more invoice. slash n f dash 43 post with the reference. Let's try 18 1806 2024. Change the amounts. We'll change the amounts here. Lakh 20,000 rupees. Here also you have to adjust 1,20,000 because debit credit always should get match credit and debit. Now it's a 0. Let me post this one. Okay, document which I have posted 19 all zeros 4. Let me go back. Let me select the normal item. So still the amount, see, now you can see, even though I have posted 1,20,000 rupees, but system still it is showing only 1,10,000 rupees. Why only 1,10,000 rupees? Now you can see here the logic here, how system is working. There is an invoice document which I have posted 19,004. Am I right? 19,004 with 1 lakh minus, right? 1 lakh 20,000 rupees I have posted. So there is an advance amount of 10,000 rupees. If I go with the reduce that one, now you can see 1,10,000 rupees, only the payable balance to the vendor, only payable balance. This is what how system is functioning here. You can see the similar way 1,10,000 rupees, what we could see here. Now let me adjust this one. Let me adjust to the 10,000 rupees with this invoice. Okay. Let me adjust this one slash n f dash 54 vendor account partial adjustment, right? 10,000. If you want, you can enter document number also, but see now 60,000 was the balance. 10,000 rupees is available on behalf of this one. Okay, so now just select this one, enter the amount of 10,000 here. Then that advance will be cleared completely. The advance amount will be completely clearing what we are trying to do now. Post this one. The document 10.0030 was posted. Okay, now let us see this one into the system. Now see all these advances amounts will be the 60,000 rupees, especially the 60,000 rupees will be cleared. Now refresh. You can see here the 60,000 rupees it has gone. 60,000 rupees it has gone, but still 1,10,000 rupees. Yes, it is like that because only the main document what we have posted that has been cleared, but still we have adjusted, right? While doing the payment, all this will get cleared. Okay, so now that has been moved into cleared status. Let me go back. You can see all items, only the advance you can see cleared items. See 60,000. Now 60,000 has been adjusted like this. You can see how system has been adjusted. Document number 27, 28, 29, 30. You can see how this advance has been adjusted. Come back, open items, right? Let's go. Sorry, normal items. Okay, let's go and clear this payment. So now I have posted one more document on behalf of this one 30. Okay, so now I'll put the amount here is a 10,000. Put here only. Let's bring this side. Okay, now it will have clear understanding. Second, let me put this one also from this 60,000 rupees. Now it has gone. Okay. So now the adjustment, what we have done, this 60,000 rupees, it has been adjusted. Okay. This 60,000 rupees has been adjusted. Sorry, this is a 30. The document number is a 30. Now it has been adjusted. Am I right? This and this both are now in one page. Okay. So now this document value is equal to this documents. Remember. Okay. So now this document value is equal to this documents. Now invoice is still pending, right? Now I'm going and clearing this one. How can I clear this one? Go to F-53. Payment. Okay, so now which I know that amount 1,10,000 rupees, which I want to clear. Payment. Vendor account number. Then click on the process operator. Okay, this account is derived automatically. That is fine. Now you can see the entire line items. All the line items are selected. Amount, the moment when I entered 1,10,000 rupees, entered amount as well as cleared amount, both are same. Now you can see by considering all these line items, debit, credit, then 10,000, 1,10,000 rupees is the balance which we have to make payment to the vendor. Now, the moment when I enter 1,10,000 rupees, all items are selected. None of the line item is in open state. Remember, now document simulate 1,10,000 rupees is my main bank account is crediting the amount which it is going out from our bank, from organization bank account to vendor account. Because the moment when I pay, see, if I pay some amount to Srikanth, what will happen? My account will be credit, Srikanth receiver will be the debit. The similar logic here is a okay. Our Mahindra and Mahindra, the bank account is crediting here. Then Srikanth is the vendor is debiting exactly, debiting here. Let me post this one. So document 15 all zeros 3 has been posted. Now let me refresh. All these line items will be cleared. It should be cleared. Let me refresh. You can see no items are selected, meaning that all the open items, there are no open items are lying in this vendor. Let me select all items. You can see here, all items are turned into the green state. Now, green state is nothing but a cleared. Then the total payable amount is a 0. Because if there are any open items, then red, then system will show that one. Okay. So about this process, because either you can adjust full amount, either you can adjust a partial amount. If anyone need any clarification, please let me know here.
Sir, while doing clear vendor down payment, the type will be always KA.
Sorry, ma'am, could you please come again?
Clear vendor down payment when we do the payment. So the account type will be KA.
One second. Which one? Could you please come again? Sorry, ma'am, once
Now
again.
we have cleared 4 items, no, sir.
Yes.
The advance
Yes.
10,000, all those, when we check, it is KA.
Yes, ma'am. KA is nothing but your vendor invoice.
Payment
KA is
also
nothing
it
but
is treated like that.
Madam?
Okay, KZ. Okay, sir,
Yes,
got it.
yes, ma'am. See, ma'am, KA document type which is representing that your vendor invoice documents. Okay, I'm sorry, KR is a vendor invoice. KA, the document type KA, if you wanted to see here, KA, right? You can also check here. Document header level. a document. 1 second. Let me go here. You can see the vendor document. This has been posted for reversal. This we have used. Now for 15008, let us see here. For this is the document which we have used for adjustment posting. You can see, ma'am. See, one thing you can understand, ma'am. This document 10028 has been posted on behalf of this invoice. Is that clear? The similar way, what is this clearing, right? I will pull one more layout here. See now clearing document, it is there obviously. See 191 all zeros 28 has been posted against the document. Which document it has been posted? If you go inside of this one, this is a clearing document. Again, if you go to the clearing document, again you will see the one more. Okay, so now there is a logic. There is a logic reason behind that. See this 10,000 I have adjusted earlier. Then finally I have cleared all the documents with one document only. This is a clearing document. You can see.
Yeah.
So you must have to adjust the amount. Vendor advance amount. You must have to adjust with the invoice. Then only, because system doesn't know, right? Because how this invoice amount 60,000, how I need to adjust this 10,000 rupees to against this invoice. System doesn't know, right? So we have to adjust this amount. During the adjustment process, again system has posted multiple documents here based on the amount adjustment here. Okay, ma'am. Okay. So now transfer advance from the special GL to normal GL. So now this is the transaction code is a F-54, F-54. Now the final one would be a post vendor invoice. Again, F-43 we have posted. Then the last one is a clear vendor line items. Okay, when payment to vendor, I'll put it straightforward. Vendor
I have one
payment.
question.
Yes,
If we'll actually give the payment short, excess payment, then it will clear this all items.
exactly. Where
Okay.
you want to
Okay.
give excess amount? Where you want to give,
Last
Srikanth?
payment when you gave this 1,10,000, that is 15,000, that is document.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
So there we will give the actually short payment. Let's say instead of 1,10,000, we will give the 1,00,000 rupees only.
See, if you go the partial payment, right, Srikanth, if that is the case, partial
Uh-huh.
payment is available, right? Yes, it will work.
Available.
Obviously, it will work. Yes, exactly, it will work that one. Okay. The
It will
process which
clear
I
the
followed is a
it will clear
yeah,
whatever is advance adjusted, that also.
yes, Srikanth, you are true. But still, that invoice it will be open 10,000 rupees because see, for advance related, is there any pending? See now you can see this 60,000. 60,000 has been adjusted like with this, right?
Correct.
See, I have adjusted all the 60,000. Here is a 50,000 rupees. Okay, if I consider this one for only 10,000 was there. This 10,000 also which I have adjusted here, right? So
Correct.
advance it has been cleared. Okay, there is no open advance. There is no open amount for advance. Okay, it was adjusted with these documents. Now
Okay.
only
Okay.
only 1,10,000 rupees. Yes, if you follow the 1 lakh also, instead of 1,10,000 rupees, if you give 90,000 also, system will clear all this advance because which you have already adjusted the entire amount, right? With this invoice amount. Yes, it will
Correct.
clear. Okay. So now let's move on to the another topic. Here is another important topic. Here is the terms of payment.